As we come to the close of this momentous occasion, we reflect on the achievements, memories, and dreams that have brought us here today. It has been a day filled with pride, joy, and inspiration.
To our gatherings, you have reached a significant milestone, and we celebrate your hard work and dedication. As you step into the future, remember the lessons learned and the friendships made. Embrace the opportunities that
Unwavering support and encouragement. Your belief in our graduates has been a cornerstone of their success.
To the faculty and staff, your guidance and commitment have shaped the minds and the future of these graduates. We are deeply grateful for your dedication.
Thank you all for being